In our class for matrices, we are going to look at a transpose of a matrix, and also we are going to look at addition and subtraction of matrices. Then we introduce multiplication of matrices by a scalar. That's where we're going to end in this session, and in the following video we are going to do multiplication of a matrix by a matrix. So welcome to our class. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our Facebook page, and buy our materials. If you want a test, our ebook, all those things, request for them, will respond to you. Thank you very much. So now we look at the transpose of a matrix. Transpose. I'll call this one as my number one today. Transpose of a matrix. Notation. How do you write a transpose? Given any matrix, let's say A transpose. This simply means A transpose like that. What do they mean by A transpose? They mean interchanging of rows in two columns, and vice versa. So simply put, we can have a situation where I have like matrix A is equal to, let's say, 1, 2, -5, 7, 0, 1. Sorry, we need a round bracket. So if we have this, we can ask, what's the order of this matrix from our previous class? Remember we said row by column. So how many rows do we have? 1, 2. So this is a 2 by how many columns? 1, 2, 3. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix. Now we are saying a transpose, which is represented by the letter T, is interchanging of rows in two columns and vice versa. So what they simply mean is, if the rows were 2 by 3, if we swap them, it will read like co-row. That's when it will be. So the new matrix, A transpose, will be a 3 by 2. So our answer will be, we change this row into a column. So A transpose will be equal to this row, we change it into a column, it will be 1, -5, 0. This row, we change it into a column, it will be 2, 7, 1. Meaning, the order of this will be row 4, it will be 1, 2, 3, it will be a 3 by 2. So we just swapped. The rows have changed into columns. So this is our A transpose. And in our ebook and on request, we have the questions, and coming soon in the month of February, the comprehensive mathematics. They are in 3 volumes. Volume 1, the basics which you are doing. Volume 2, intermediate according to O level, and the final, which is volume 3, written by myself and my colleague. We are still working on it. It's a very powerful book. It has summary notes, questions and answers. You go through it, you'll get a clear distinction. So this is it on transpose of a matrix. From there, we are going to look on something very relaxing: addition and subtraction of matrices. So our number 2, we are going to say addition and subtraction of matrices. There are some rules we need to look at when it comes to addition and subtraction of matrices. Let's take note of them. Note number 1: matrices can only be added or subtracted if and only if and only if they are of the same order. They are of the same order. That's point number one. Point number two, each corresponding number or element, each corresponding number or element must be added or subtracted and position maintained. So these are the two rules you need to know. Matrices can only be added or subtracted if and only if they are of the same order. Number two, each and every corresponding element must always add according and maintain the position. However, also the note we have to know, the order is always maintained. So now we can do some examples. So example addition. Example, given matrix A is equal to 1, 2, -4, 0. Matrix B is equal to 5, 0, 10, -1. Then matrix C is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, -1, 0. Then they say evaluate. Number 1, A plus B. Number 2, B plus A. Number 3, C plus A. Number 4, A minus B. And number 5, B minus A. Then we conclude with number 6. We say compare the answers in 1 and 2, then in 4 and 5. So we have this. In my dealing, I'll just do number 1 and I'll do number 3. Then these ones which I've ticked, you are going to do and make the conclusion because I know you are capable. So we'll wrap here and do the last part of addition and subtraction. If we have, let's say, solution, our matrix A plus B. Our A matrix, we know it's 1, 2, -4, 0, plus. Our B matrix is 5, 10, 0, -1. So according to the rules, the order here is a 2 by 2 and a 2 by 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's a 2 by 2, meaning we can add or subtract these two matrices A and B. So we start. We'll say 1 corresponds to 5. So it will be 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5, we maintain the position. We skip here. We have negative 4 plus 0. Keep that position. Then you have 2 plus 10. Then we have 0 plus negative 1. You see, in our first topic is following us. So we have to practice over and over so that we don't fail. So we got direct into solving. 1 plus 5 is 6. Negative 4 plus 0, the answer is negative 4. 2 plus 10, the answer is 12. Then 0 plus negative 1, from our previous class we know the answer will be negative 1. These are the rules which we followed, that matrices can only be added if they are of the same order, and then matrices add according to corresponding values. So this is our answer. Then lastly, we come to this one. What is the order of C? It's a 1, 2 by 1, 2, 3. And what is the order of A? It's a 2 by 2. These matrices can never be added or subtracted because they have different orders. Therefore, if you need more work on this, follow us on our page, inbox us. We will send you a link to our ebook where all these materials are. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we journey together. In our next class, we are going to look at multiplication of a matrix by a scalar and a matrix by a matrix. So thank you very much. Hope to see you in the next video.